Good afternoon, kindergarten leaders, family, and friends. Yesterday, we were talking about geometry, the study of shapes. We talked about a circle. This shape. You learned a circle has curves, it's a closed shape, and it's round. And you did such a great job naming, identifying, and even drawing the circle. So give yourselves a pat on the back for that. Today, we're going to talk about a different shape. It's called a square. Wonder what a square would be. Oh yeah, I'm wearing the hat. My square hat. This is a square. And this is a square. Let's see how many sides a square has. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sides. We're going to sing our song about squares. The square song. 1, 2, 3. A square is like a box. A square is like a box. It has 4 sides. They are the same. A square is like a box. Let's try that again a couple times. 1, 2, 3. A square is like a box. A square is like a box. It has 4 sides. They are the same. A square is like a box. I'm going to try it again. This time, I'm going to sing first, and when I point to you, you're going to sing and repeat it. Square song. 1, 2, 3. A square is like a box. A square is like a box. It has 4 sides. They are the same. A square is like a box. Excellent. I'll do one last time, and I'm going to do some hand motions too, because that's what helps me remember this shape. A square is like a box. A square is like a box. It has 4 sides. They are the same. A square is like a box. And I drew my square with my fingers. You could do that too if it helps you. I'm going to show you how I draw my square. So I know that my square, all sides are the same. So I'm going to just use something just to show you so you can see exactly what that looks like when all sides are the same. I'm going to measure it out. Oops. So here's 1. That's 1 side. Then I'll do it without the ruler, but just to show you exactly what it looks like. This is a special tool called a ruler, and I'm using it just to show you that my 4 sides must be the same. Now when I use this tool, it helps me get that. So all 4 sides are the same. This is the same in length. So here is my square. Let's trace it with our fingers here. Watch what I'm doing as I'm tracing it along. Here we go. I'm going to do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. All 4 sides are the same, and they're all touching each other. They're all connected too. Not only do I have 4 sides, but I have 4 corners. A corner, like on here on my board too, it's where the 2 sides meet. Let's count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my square has 4 sides, they're the same, and 4 corners. Okay, now what we're going to do is our special homework. First things first, write your name at the top. Always write your name on your papers. So important so that I know who's doing such a great job, and I can give you credit for your work when you have your name on your paper. I know who did the work. So your first thing, write your name, which I did. It says square. Number 1, draw a square. So you have all this room here to draw your square. Remember, it has 4 sides and they're the same. So take your time with it. Number 2, color the squares. So you get to be a square detective, and you get to look at all these shapes here and find the squares and color them with a crayon. Take as much time as you need. Okay, so I think now you know how to name, identify, and describe squares. We're going to talk in class in more detail tomorrow about squares, and we're going to do a lot of fun activities where you'll get to find squares, name them, even draw them. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.